Hi everybody, welcome again to Boom City Breaks. Gatsby here back with you guys tonight, coming to you with 2016 NFL Gold Rush Football Jersey Edition. This is case 20, boxes 1 and 2. This is a 2-box break. This was PYT, Pick Your Team's break. Good luck everybody. Please give our channel a follow on breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Please also join our Facebook group under Boom City Breaks and look out for our eBay auctions under Boom City Breaks. Good luck, folks. Let me get some rippets in the chat. This is a fresh case. Good luck. Boxes 1 and 2 coming to you from case number 20. Alright, good luck, folks. Gonna hear the popping of the seals. Alright, not the worst hit. Not my favorite player in the world. We've got a Jason Taylor from the Miami Dolphins. Going out to Big Duds. Taking it down. Number 99, Jason Taylor. Probably be a Hall of Famer one day. We'll see. He was always a very good player. Very cool jersey, though. Love the colors on it. Very nice. Jason Taylor. So Jason Taylor coming out of box 1 out of case 20. Here's your JSA, Duds. Alright. Very nice one. That's box 1. Let's see what we can get in this next one here, guys. Here we go. Here we go. There's box number 2. Get your pops ready. You're going to hear the pop. Good luck, folks. There's the Boomski, baby. We did it again. The Julio Jones Atlanta Falcons jersey going out to All Day 23, taking down the Julio with a cheap team. This dude is killing it again this year. Alabama product. Julio Jones with a black Dirty Bird Falcon jersey. Very sweet. Damn, that's a nice jersey. That's a sweet one right there. That's the black one, man. I like that one. Got a nice signature on there. Comes to you with a leaf certification. There's your card number, All Day. There we go. Alright, that completes our 2-boxer. Our hits were Jason Taylor from the Miami Dolphins going out to Big Duds. And Julio Jones from the Atlanta Falcons going out to All Day 23. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.